So are core exercises really the key to preventing lower back pain? Welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, the weekly video designed to help you better understand pain or injury, keep you healthy, and improve your performance. Now, you've probably been told at some point in your life that your lower back pain is because of a weak core, or that low back pain in general is always because of a weak core. And this is actually a myth that's been perpetuated for decades at this point within the fitness community, as well as the medical and rehab community. So not all back pain is due to a weak core. And there are just several examples of this. If we think about it all around us, think of all the people who you might think of as weak, right? A friend of yours who doesn't really work out, you know, they're not doing sit-ups or planks or things like that, but they don't have back pain, right? What's the explanation there? Or on the opposite end of the spectrum, we've met plenty of patients at PhysioRx who are really strong. They can hold a plank for 2 minutes. They can deadlift 300, 400 pounds. They can squat a whole bunch, and they're having low back pain, right? They do core exercises all the time in fitness class, but why do their backs hurt, right? So there's not a direct correlation between the amount of core exercises you do, how strong your core is, how weak it is, and whether or not you're going to experience back pain. And when it comes to solving back pain, lots of studies have come out showing that core exercises are just as good as just general exercise for people who are suffering from some chronic or acute lower back pain. So what do you do if you have back pain? There are a few things you want to think about. You just don't want to, have this blanket assumption thrown at you that you have a weak core, when really you could be a really strong person who exercises a lot that has low back pain. So what do you do about it? You want to think of a few things. You want to think, am I getting enough variety of movement in my day or in my life? A lot of people who do some repetitive activity over and over might get back pain. Some people who might sit all day at work might get low back pain. Am I getting enough exercise in my life? There is a correlation with back pain in people who really don't exercise a whole lot, never mind core versus not core. So am I getting enough exercise? Am I getting enough variety of movement in my life? And don't underestimate the quality of sleep and stress. There's definitely a correlation between stress, sleep quality, job satisfaction, all of that stuff. Low back pain is far more complex than just saying you have a weak core. So if you love to work on your core, great. Just don't think that you're a weak person if you have back pain. Don't think that you have to do more core exercises to get out of low back pain. At the end of the day, it's going to be an individualized approach that's going to solve your problem.